Chaitanya Bharati Institute of Technology, located at Gandipet, Hyderabad, is launching its first ever summer camp for the school children from 5th to 12th standard. Camp will focus on augmented reality, virtual reality, Internet of Things, Python coding, along with exciting games and fun-filled sessions. We welcome your child to participate, learn, and grow along with us. To learn from an engineering campus on how technology is driving the future of this world. Assuredly, the child will have splendid moments at the camp and will relish forever. The program starts from May 23rd till June 4th, 2022. Hurry, as we will be closing the bookings with the first 500 registrations. Your child's safety is our responsibility. Transport facility at request of the parent or teacher will be arranged. Contact us on the following numbers for more information. Find the registration link and the QR code for payments. Thank you and see you soon at the campus.